morning students. Welcome to Tata Chem DAV Public School Mithapur online classes. Myself Kavita Modi. Today we are going to start chapter 4, fractional numbers. In this chapter our topic is addition and subtraction of fractions. First we take addition of fraction. Question number A. 4 upon 7 and 11 upon 14. See, in 4 upon 7 and 11 upon 14, the denominators are different, so we cannot add. For addition, first we will convert them into like fraction. Let's recall like fraction. Fractions having same denominators are called like fractions. For this, we need to find the LCM of 7 and 14. 7 is an odd number and 14 is an even number. So we start our LCM by the smallest prime number 2. So write 2 to the left of 7 and 14 and divide. 7 is not divisible by 2. So write 7 as it is and then divide 14 by 2. We get 7. Now 7 is an odd prime number. So it is divisible by 1 and number itself. So write 7 to the left of 7 and 7 and divide. We get 1. If we get 1 means stop here. So the LCM of 7 and 14 is equal to 2 multiplied by 7 is equal to 14. We have to bring 14 at the place of denominators because our LCM is 14. Our first fraction is 4 upon 7 and we want to 14 at the place of denominator. So which digit will you multiply to bring 14 in the place of denominator? Yes, the answer is 2 because 7 2s are 14. So we multiply numerator and denominator by the same number 2. Then write down plus sign. The other fraction is 11 upon 14. See, the denominator is 14. So we multiply numerator and denominator by 1. Then multiply 4 2s are 8 and 7 2s are 14. So the fraction is 8 upon 14. Then write down the plus sign. 11 1s are 11 and 14 1s are 14. So the other fraction is 11 upon 14. Now denominators are same. So we can easily add the fraction. 8 plus 11 is equal to 19. So the fraction is 19 upon 14. But see, the 19 upon 14 is an improper fraction. So we convert them into mixed number. Everyone knows how we will convert into mixed number. So the answer is 1 5 upon 14. Let's solve one more question. Question number B. 1 upon 4 plus 2 upon 5 plus 7 upon 10. How can we add the fractions when the denominators are different? To make the denominators same, we will convert them into like fractions. For this, we need to find the LCM of 4, 5 and 10. As we see, the LCM of 4, 5 and 10 is 20. So we have to bring 20 at the place of denominators. Our first fraction is 1 upon 4 and we want to 20 at the place of denominator. So which digit will you multiply to bring 20 in the denominator? Yes, the answer is 5 because 4 5s are 20. So we multiply numerator and denominator by the same number 5. Then write the plus sign as it is. The other fraction is 2 upon 5 and we want 20 at the place of denominator. So which digit will you multiply to bring 20 in the denominator? Yes, the answer is 4 because 5 4s are 20. So we multiply numerator and denominator by the same number 4. Then write down the plus sign as it is. The next fraction is 7 upon 10 and we want 20 at the place of denominator. So which digit will you multiply to bring 20 in the denominator? Yes, the answer is 2 because 10 2s are 20. So multiply numerator and denominator by the same number 2. Do the multiplication. 1 5s are 5 and 4 5s are 20. So the first fraction is 5 upon 20. Then write down the plus sign as it is. 2 4s are 8 and 5 4s are 20. So the second fraction is 8 upon 20. Then write down plus sign as it is. 7 2s are 14 and 10 2s are 20. So the third fraction is 14 upon 20. See, the denominators are same, so we can easily add the fractions. So write down 5 plus 8 plus 14 upon 20. Add all the numerators and the answer is 27. So the fraction is 27 upon 20. But see, the answer is an improper fraction. Means numerator is greater than denominator. So we convert them into mixed number. So divide 27 by 20. And everyone know how we will convert improper fraction into mixed number. So the answer is 7 upon 20. Let's solve one more question. Question number C. Add 4 1 upon 6 plus 2 2 upon 5 plus 1 1 upon 3. See, in this question, all the fractions is in mixed number. So first we convert them into improper fraction. How? Let's see. 6 4s are 24 and 24 plus 1 25. So the first fraction is 25 upon 6. Then write plus as it is. 5 2s are 10 and 10 plus 2 12. So second fraction is 12 upon 5. Then write down plus sign as it is. Then 3 1s are 3 and 3 plus 1 4. So the third fraction is 4 upon 3. To make the denominator same, we will convert them into like fractions. For this, we need to find the LCM of 6, 5 and 3. As we see, the LCM of 6, 5 and 3 is 30. So we have to bring 30 at the place of denominators. Our first fraction is 25 upon 6. And we want 30 at the place of denominator. So which digit will you multiply to bring 30 in the denominator? Yes, the answer is 5 because 6 5s are 30. So we multiply numerator and denominator by the same number 5. Then write down the plus sign as it is. The second fraction is 12 upon 5. And we want 30 at the place of denominator. So which digit will you multiply to bring 30 in denominator? Yes, the answer is 6 because 5 6 are 30. So we multiply numerator and denominator by the same number 6. Then write down plus sign as it is. Our third fraction is 4 upon 3. And we want 30 at the place of denominator. So which digit will you multiply to bring 30 in the denominator? Yes, the answer is 10 because 3 10s are 30. So we multiply numerator and denominator by the same number 10. Do the multiplication. 25 5s are 125 and 6 5s are 30. So first fraction is 125 upon 30. Then write plus sign as it is. 12 6 are 72 and 5 6 are 30. So second fraction is 72 upon 30. Then write plus sign as it is. 4 10s are 40 and 3 10s are 30. So the third fraction is 40 upon 30. Now add the numerators and denominators remain the same. 125 plus 72 plus 40 upon 30. If we add, the answer is 237 upon 30. See, it is an improper fraction, but it is not in lowest term. 237 is an odd number and 30 is an even number. So both the digit is not divisible by 2. So take the next digit 3. To check whether it is divisible by 3 or not, we use divisibility test of 3. 2 plus 3 plus 7 is equal to 12 and 12 is divisible by 3. So 237 is also divisible by 3 and 30 is also divisible by 3. So divide numerator and denominator by the same number 3 to find the lowest term. 237 divided by 3 we get 79 and 30 divided by 3 we get 10. So the fraction is 79 upon 10, which is not divisible by any number other than 1. So 79 upon 10 is in the lowest term. But it is an improper fraction because the numerator is greater than denominator. So we will convert them into mixed number. So divide 79 upon 10. Everyone know how we will convert into mixed number. So the answer is 7 9 upon 10. Our next topic is subtraction of fractions. Question number A. 4 minus 3 upon 8. We can write 4 as 4 upon 1. So the question is 4 upon 1 minus 3 upon 8. To make the denominator same, we will convert them into like fractions. For this, we need to find the LCM of 1 and 8. As we see, the LCM of 1 and 8 is 8, so we have to bring 8 at the place of denominators. Our first fraction is 4 upon 1 and we want 8 at the place of denominator. So we multiply numerator and denominator by the same number 8. Then write the minus sign as it is. Our second fraction is 3 upon 8 and we want 8 at the place of denominator, so we multiply numerator and denominator by the same number 1. Do the multiplication. 4 8s are 32 and 1 8s are 8. So the first fraction is 32 upon 8. Write the minus sign as it is. 3 1s are 3 and 8 1s are 8. So the second fraction is 3 upon 8. See, the denominators are same, so we can easily separate the fractions. So subtract the numerators and denominator remains the same. 32 minus 3 upon 8 is equal to 29 upon 8. Again, it is an improper fraction, so we will convert them into mixed number. So divide 29 by 8. Everyone knows how we will convert improper fraction into mixed number. So the answer is 3 5 upon 8. Let's solve one more question. 3 4 upon 5 minus 2 1 upon 10. See, the question is in mixed number. So first we convert them into improper fraction. How? Let's see. 5 3s are 15 and 15 plus 4 19. So the first fraction is 19 upon 5. Then write the minus sign as it is. 10 2s are 20 and 20 plus 1 21. So the second fraction is 21 upon 10. How can we separate the fractions when the denominators are different? To make the denominators same, we will convert them into like fractions. For this, we need to find the LCM of 5 and 10. As we see, the LCM of 5 and 10 is 10. So we have to bring 10 at the place of denominators. Our first fraction is 19 upon 5 and we want 10 at the place of denominator. So which digit will you multiply to bring 10 in the denominator? Yes, the answer is 2 because 5 2s are 10. So we multiply numerator and denominator by the same number 2. Then write the minus sign as it is. The second fraction is 21 upon 10 and we want 10 at the place of denominator. So which digit will you multiply to bring 10 in the denominator? Yes, the answer is 1 because 10 ones are 10. So we multiply numerator and denominator by the same number 1. Do the multiplication. 19 2s are 38 and 5 2s are 10. So the first fraction is 38 upon 10. Then write the minus sign as it is. 21 1s are 21 and 10 1s are 10. So the second fraction is 21 upon 10. See, the denominators are same, so we can easily subtract the fraction. So subtract the numerators. Denominators remains the same. 38 minus 21 upon 10 and 38 minus 21 is equal to 17. So the answer is 17 upon 10. Again, it is an improper fraction, so we will convert them into mixed number. So divide 17 by 10. We get 1 7 upon 10. So the answer is 1 7 upon 10. 10. Addition and subtraction of fractions. So complete worksheet 4, question 1 and 2 in Math CW. Thank you. Have a nice day.